The 60-second driver.
Airbags are effective in preventing life-threatening or debilitating head and chest injuries.
It's important to remember your seatbelt is your main restraint in a crash.
In a collision, your seatbelt will tighten to hold you in place and ensure your airbag can cushion you the way it was designed to. Airbags deploy quickly and with a lot of force. To prevent airbags from hurting you or your front seat passenger when they deploy, do these 2 things.
1. Make sure everyone sits at least 25 centimeters away from front airbags, which is about the same distance as a dinner plate. 2. Wear your seatbelt.
Your seat position should be far back, but still allow you to have comfortable access to your pedals and steering wheel. Children 12 years and under are safest in the back seat, properly secured in appropriate car seat restraints.
And remember, every passenger every time needs to buckle up.
Brought to you by Manitoba Public Insurance and CTV.